Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Today I'm going to be planning in my ppweeks. And yeah, so what kit am I using? Which is all out of order. My apologies. I'm going to be using the Ray kit, and I'll show you this I got in my mystery box. I don't know, I've kind of felt like this was kind of the time to use it. I don't know, just it called to me. I was looking at all the kits that I have from pression week, and I was like, okay, this is this one. All right, so I'm thinking about cutting just to strip down. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the washi. Okay, so this one has washi. This one has bottom washi and date covers. This one has washi and headers. This is little washi tape here. This one is the little things, and then this one is the quarter boxes. I could have sworn it came with more, but I could be wrong. Let me just look through my stack here because I kind of have them all a little mixed up. If not, that's okay. It's not like I got a lot going on anyways. Yep, I'm missing a few things here. My apologies. Oops, didn't mean to do it that way like that. Holy camoli, like seriously. All right, let me get you the lowdown. This one could definitely fit in your print pensions and Erwin Conran. If you were using it for your mini planner, you definitely would have to cut it down or use, you know, just some of the items here. So this is full boxes. We have your heart checklist, and we have your checklist and icons. So, and I don't know where the sampler went. So, yeah. So this is last week's spread. I'm not even gonna bother putting in Sunday. I got this beautiful whatchamacallit, bookmark, and I can't remember the name of the seller right now. So this is from Inky and the Brain Hopeful Backpacks. I'm also going to be using from a lot of different sellers, so I'm just going to go through it, and I will put the list of links to everything down below. We're going to be using sparkles from Savannah Paper Eating a Pineapple, Inky and the Brain Day Off. We're going to be using Lexington Fair Taco Night. We're going to be using some PR stickers. These I'm using from my PR stickers. These are from Sparrow Design Paper Co. Let's get Suzanne to Power Planner. This is Callie the Planner Cat in a beautiful purple plain. It comes in different shades of purple. Savannah Paper. No, I'm not going to use this sticker, sorry. We're going to be using Itty Bitty's short stickers, and I was looking for this. And this is what the backpack looks like. This is some peppermint planner school stickers. This is no school, half a day, no school, sick day. Okay, so this is Facebook, Twitter, and recycling from Speak Kawaii Design and Trash Day. Also I have her, why am I using, I'm like using up all my Twitter stickers, like what's going on here? Okay, so this is her YouTube stickers, film, edit. I don't have an upload. That's gonna suck. So I may use this for upload and shopping from Savannah Paper Co. And I may just speed this up and do a voiceover. So please sit back, enjoy, and I hope that you like and subscribe. So let's get started with the washi. So okay guys, this part of the video is going to be sped up and voiceover. So now I'm just cutting down the washi to fit the bottom of my planner. This kit again can fit a bunch of different
planners. So maybe some of them you may have to do a little bit of planner surgery, but it is so worth it. It's really a beautiful kit. Anyway, guys, so I also am using my control knife to cut down the washi, and that's a bit short, but I'm like, okay, no big deal. All right, moving on. So I want to talk to you guys again about the sale that's going to be happening in like one day. It is the Pretty Planner sale. Rebecca from Sparrow Design Paper Co. is having the sale, and her store is going to be 25% off on Etsy. Again, I will link everything down below. I don't know if my code is going to be working, because originally I thought it was going to be, you guys would be able to, since everything was on sale, that I don't know if my code is going to work, because Etsy is kind of weird that way, but you can give it a try and see what happens, or just add my code to note to seller so that you can get my awesome freebie, which I helped design myself. It was so fun to create that freebie. Anyway, guys, so as you can see, I'm just using my date dots, and I'm taking off the book bags because I did not put them in the right place. I actually took them off from last week because, you know, of everything that's going on. We started the online school. The Board of Education here, or the DOE, started the 23rd. Anyway, so now I'm putting on the date covers. No, not the date covers. The washi strips. I think I also put one of them as to do, or something like that. I can't remember at this point. My brain is a little wonky. I recorded this a little while away. Anyways, so yeah, so now I'm also going to be adding an extender. This one is a full extender, and I'm going to be adding my my weeklies, and just kind of, you know, videos, PR work, or anything like that. That's what I'm going to be doing, and any little things that I need to write down. I'm also going to be putting my habit tracker down below, and I'm going to be using 2 of the checklists, and the rest are going to be quarter boxes and half boxes, I believe, or full boxes and quarter boxes. Sorry, my brain is a little mush. Today, to mark down some schoolwork that I'm doing with my son. That's why I'm using the backpacks. And so I'm just kind of randomly putting stuff down, making it look as colorful and fun as possible. And then I'm like, okay, that doesn't look right. I don't know. And I'm also going to be using that 3-heart checklist. The unicorn down below is from Savannah Paper Co. That is sprinkles. And those tweezers are from SassyPlannerCo, I believe. Again, I'll put everything down below. And those tweezers are amazing, you guys. So I'm also putting down film day, which I normally try and film on Saturdays. Friday is blog day. Monday is video day, which I have to get back on my schedule, but because of an appointment that I had. And now I'm going to be putting down Kelly in a plane. She is a fundraiser sticker. You guys can check out all that awesome information. Oh, and that was a new release sticker. We had a new release, a bunch of new releases, the 23rd. So those new releases, plus some tier goodies, what else is going to be happening? Mystery kit is coming on as well. And again, the shop is going to be 25% off for 3 days only. You can try to use my code or just put it into note to seller. And yeah, it's going to be really fun, guys. You guys should really check that out. So blog post on Friday. What else is going on for me? Try to edit and film over the weekend, some more content for you guys. And yeah. And taco night is Friday. Again, that sticker is from Lexington Fair. Yeah, so phone call for therapy. Gotta keep your mind sharp. And I couldn't find my Facebook sticker. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And bye for now.